Hello everyone, welcome along to London town. Thursday night, spring is here. It's warm, 15 degrees. I don't need the winter gloves on tonight, but that's all I got, so I'm gonna have sweaty hands. Long day's work, on the way home now. It's not too busy, it's about 10 o'clock at night now. Thursday night, pubs are packed. Thursday is the new Friday. Has been for a while. Loads of people will be work from home tomorrow, so it'll just be tourists keeping it busy. Oxford Street pretty quiet here. Try and wear my way through all this traffic. Got to be careful because there'll be a lot of people after a few bevies out and about, not paying attention to the roads. It's Oxford Circus here. Beautiful architecture. And these lights take forever. It's kind of like a smaller version of Shibuya in Tokyo. All manner of people hanging about. Yeah, it's warm. Feeling good, loving a bit of warmth. Come on, lights. No matter how quiet the traffic is, the lights will always get you in this city. Most people on push bikes just go through these red lights. Whoa, some nice potholes there. There's a Hamleys, a toy store, still open, blimey. Red light after red light. There's a curb there, taxi driver. Some token roadworks. Can't get far without roadworks. Come on. Yeah, it seems pretty quiet around here at the moment for a Thursday. Maybe the theatres haven't kicked out yet, but normally this area is rammed, Piccadilly Circus. Go on, squids. Not too many bikers out. I thought in this weather people would be out more on their bikes, but haven't seen many. Catching all the reds today. All the reds. Shows it's just starting to empty now. Jump in your black cab to the station or your hotel, then out of the city. Oh, come on, hold. Yeah. These dickheads. Filming a music video. Brap, brap. Bouncy old roads. Downing Street, Keir Starmer probably sat there doing nothing. Gonna get a nice green here. Come on, don't put your foot down. Yeah. Ah man, the moon's looking nice. Not quite a full moon. I think it might have been full moon a couple of days ago. My. Nice Triumph Scrambler. Crossing the Thames out of Westminster. Pretty quick to get out of town tonight. That's what I like. Roads should be clear the whole way home now. Right, what way is this bus going? Make your mind up, man. Oh dear. Nice. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you on the next video.